welcome to Housey. This is Brinda. Today we will be revealing the teaser of Brigade Orchards developed by Brigade Group, which is located in Devanhalli, Bangalore. Right now I am standing inside the township. Here you can see the marketing office and this is all township. In this teaser, we will be discussing about the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch offers and many more. Before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thereby giving you the best bottom price guarantee. Unlike other listing platforms, if you do a single inquiry, your contact number will be shared with multiple brokers. But in Housey, you just don't have to worry. Here, the listings will be done by the developers, not by the brokers. So you can build your dream home directly only on Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across 135 acres of integrated township with multiple towers, where 10 towers are completely sold out. And now they are launching with 2 towers, that is Maple and L'Oreal, which is completely dedicated for senior citizen. Featuring ground plus 8 floor, offering you 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK in different variants. Now let's talk about the location. This project is located in Devanhalli, Bangalore. Right now I am standing at the main entrance and from here the township begins. We are standing at the north entry of Brigade Orchards. Now let's talk about the key connectivity. Towards my left hand side, this road takes you towards Devanhalli. Towards my right hand side, this road takes you towards Hoskote. Now let's talk about the key connectivity. From this project, we can reach Hebbal in just 20 minutes. We can reach International Airport in just 10 minutes. STRR in 10 minutes. Mall of Asia in 20 minutes. Now let's talk about the amenities. This project has more than 40 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gym, amphitheatre, clubhouse, pickleball court, kids play area, pets park and the cricket pitch and many more. And additional township includes Ramaya Medical Hospital, Global Mind School, Chanakya University and Signature Club Resort. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. I already told you that Brigade Orchards project is launching 2 new towers. That is Maple Tower, another one is L'Oreal Tower. L'Oreal Tower is completely designed for senior living. Coming to the L'Oreal Tower. 1 BHK starts from 900 square feet. 2 BHK plus 2 washrooms starts from 1300 to 1400 square feet. Now let's talk about the Maple Tower. 1 BHK starts from 750 to 950 square feet. 2 BHK 2 washrooms start from 1200 to 1250 square feet. 3 BHK plus 2 washrooms start from 1500 to 1560 square feet. 3 BHK plus 3 washroom goes up to 1600 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. This project is currently in pre-launch stage and the EOI is now open. Clients are invited to visit the site where our sales team will be giving you the explanation about the project details, payment scheme. They will also show you the sample flat. If the clients are interested, they can proceed with the EOI. So everyone, this was the teaser of Brigade Group launching with 2 towers at Brigade Orchards located in Devanhalli, Bangalore. Until next video, stay tuned to Housey. This is Brinda signing off.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.